Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter. Pinocchio becomes a real boy. This story is about Pinocchio, a wooden puppet carved by Geppetto, a woodcarver. Pinocchio is famous for having a long nose that becomes longer whenever he tells a lie. Though a wooden puppet, Pinocchio always dreams of becoming a real boy. Students, this story is about Pinocchio, who was a wooden puppet carved by Geppetto, a woodcarver. Geppetto was a very nice man. He wished that he had a child of his own. So he made a puppet out of wood. A fairy wanted to reward Geppetto for his good heart. She waved her magic wand and the little puppet came alive. Geppetto was very happy and he gave him a name, Pinocchio. Pinocchio was famous for having a long nose that becomes longer whenever he told a lie. So Pinocchio always dreamed of becoming a real boy. Let's see, students, that in this story how Pinocchio becomes a real boy. Pinocchio was truly sorry. He remembered all the trouble and pain he had given to his father Geppetto. He promised to look after his father, who had become very weak and old. Pinocchio had always hated hard work, but now he worked hard to take care of his father. After his father became well, Pinocchio decided to save some money to buy clothes for himself. In this paragraph, Pinocchio remembered the trouble and pain he had given to his father. He realized that his father is old and weak to do work. So he started to work hard to take care of his father and save money to buy some clothes. On his way to the market, he met the snail. Pinocchio was glad to see him and asked where the good and kind fairy was. He was sad to learn that she was very ill. Oh, the poor fairy! If I had a lot of money, I would have given it to her. But I have only 2 shillings. Take them. I was just going to buy a new suit. Go quickly and give the money to the kind fairy. In this paragraph, Pinocchio goes to the market with 2 shillings to buy a suit. On the way, he met a snail and asked about the kind fairy. On knowing that she is not well, to help the kind fairy, Pinocchio gave his 2 shillings. Shillings means money to the snail. But what about your new suit? Asked the snail. Don't ask questions. Go, snail, hurry. Come back in 2 days' time to take some more. Till now, I have worked for my father. From now on, I will work for my kind fairy. Goodbye, snail. In this paragraph, when Snail asks Pinocchio about buying the suit, Pinocchio replies not to ask questions. Hurry up and come back in 2 days to take more money, as he will work more to earn money for his father and the kind fairy. It's all for today. We will continue rest of the part in the next video. In this corona pandemic, as advised, wash your hands for at least 20 seconds in every 2 hours. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.